Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video is the continuation of my Halloween cake series. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this texturized cake with buttercream, and also how I made all these spookiness using some silicone mold. So if you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. create the texture on the cake, I did my crumb coat, I did my second coat of buttercream, and then I pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your cake is completely chilled, you're going to take some fresh buttercream and a paper towel, and you're just going to a little bit just dab it on your cake, and then you're just going to touch your cake and then pull away, and it's going to create that stucco effect. You can do it in sections, or you can do it all the way around your cake also. And then I created a little shadow effect by using edible powder dust. Make sure that the powder that you're using is edible, or the lesser dust, because there's a lot of products out there that are actually toxic. So make sure that on the label it says that it's edible. So that's for that. And then for the little frames, what I did is that a little trick that I have: when you're using silicone molds, make sure that when you're filling up the molds with your fondant, you can actually use also a little pointer on your fondant, use a little bit of Tylose at the same time. It will speed up the process of drying, so you can do that, or simply use just your fondant as it is. But fill in your silicone mold, and then what I do is that I pop it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. So like that, it's easier to just remove your piece and just put it onto a parchment paper and let it completely dry, because once you pop it in the freezer, it's going to harden. But once you put it on the parchment paper, it's obviously going to defreeze, and it's going to be a little bit tacky. So just leave it on your parchment paper or your silicone sheet mat. Just let it like completely dry, and then you can go ahead and place it onto your cake. I use edible metallic paint also for the frames. My favorite edible paint. Make sure that it is edible. And I use also spiders that I bought at the dollar store. And then I finished the look with synthetic flowers. I piped some buttercream at the top, and then I just placed the flowers on top, and that was basically it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, my Halloween cake series. You can go ahead and look at all the other videos that I made, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.